In this video, we will demonstrate how to use learning objectives, which allow you to test specific knowledge areas on your test. We will show you how to set them up in advanced grade, as well as the applicable reports to go with it in Remark Office OMR. Begin by clicking on the orange Analysis tab. Under the Analysis options, click Advanced Grade. The Advanced Grade window then appears. First, you need to enter an answer key. Click Answer Key on the left. Then in the drop-down list under Import Answer Key From, select Dataset Row. Then click Import Key, depending on how you want to acquire your answer key. Next, select Learning Objectives on the left. You can choose to either define a new learning objective or import one. Importing allows you to import a list of learning objectives from a file as opposed to typing them in. Select New. Then under the Objective Properties section, type an objective name. The objective name is a short description or title of the learning objective. Please note that the description is optional. This option offers you a longer description of the learning objective, which will appear on the reports. If you would like to set a benchmark for your learning objective, select the box that says Use Benchmark. From the drop-down list, select a custom benchmark or a benchmark based on your class average. The benchmark represents the score you want your students to achieve. If you choose custom, you have to type in a percentage for your benchmark. Also in the Objective Properties box, you can edit the grade scale or edit scaled scores. Grade scales can be different for each learning objective. Next, you will select the questions you want to apply to your learning objective from the available questions on the right. To select a range of questions, hold down the Shift key. Then click Align Questions. If you want to remove a question, simply click on the question you want removed and click Remove Questions. If you would like to add another learning objective, click New at the top of the window. Then repeat the previous steps. Once you have added all of your questions to the learning objective, click Grade. You are then asked if you would like to save your answer key. Save the answer key to a place that is easily accessible. You will now see all of your reports appear. both the test analysis report and the class learning objectives report displays your learning objective for the entire class. Learning objectives only show on the test analysis report if the benchmark was not met. The reports help educators reflect on their lesson plans and teaching styles by examining if their students are achieving or falling short of the benchmark. The Student Achievement Report breaks down the benchmark for each student. This way, you can see which specific students are obtaining the benchmarks you set. Based on the report, educators can reflect on whether or not the benchmark they set was reasonable and fair. For the Student Statistics Report, use the next page arrow to view your learning objectives and student performance. This report shows how students scored on the overall test as well as the learning objectives, allowing you to quickly see how well students are grasping the information and make adjustments as needed. You have successfully learned how to use learning objectives. Thanks for watching.